Welcome to the past question and answer review section, where we treat UTME and SSCE past questions with current trends that has been occurring in the last 5 years. Without much ado, let's take a look at some examples from the past questions and solve them together. Look at this question. If 13 cm cube of a gas at 50 degrees Celsius is warmed to 80 degrees at a fixed pressure, the fractional increase in volume is dash. A. 0.09, B. 0.093, C. 0.910, D. 1.090. To solve this question, let's look at the parameters that were stated in the question and identify whose law we are to obey in solving it. We were given initial volume to be 30 cm cube, initial temperature to be 30 degrees Celsius, but in gas laws, all temperatures must be converted to Kelvin. So we convert degree Celsius to degree Kelvin by the addition of 273. So our T1 becomes 30 plus 273 to give us 323 degree Kelvins. Our T2 is 80 degrees Celsius plus 273 gives us 353 Kelvin. Therefore, we don't know our V2. So the law to obey here is Charles' law, which states V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. So to get V2 now, it becomes V1 times T2 over T1. By extrapolating the values, V2 will become 30 times 353 divided by 323. And our V2 will be given to be 32.78 centimeter cube. But that's not the end. The question says fractional increase in volume. Fractional increase in volume is simply a fraction of what volume was acquired by the increase in temperature. Is given by the V2 minus V1 over V1. By carrying out V2, our 32.78 minus V1, which is 30 degrees, will give us 2.78 over 30. Dividing, our fractional increase will be given to be 0.093, and that is option B. Finally, do not forget to go through our advisory notes and practice more at the quiz section to master this particular subject, this particular topic in preparation for your UTME or SSCE.